Okay, welcome back to Smart Depot again. This is going to be a very quick one. How to transfer all your Facebook photos and videos to your Google account in just 3 simple steps. Okay, you're going to check the version of your Facebook. If you don't have this feature, you might just need to update. Even me, I still need to update my Facebook app, but it's still the option is there. So you go to your settings. Let's kickstart, and then you scroll down to your Facebook information. And then scroll down a little bit to it, and then transfer a copy of your photos or videos. So there's a zit, and then you click on it. It will open you in a browser. I already signed in here. So the only destination we have right now is Google Photos. So Facebook said they were going to add this. They're going to add other services, after now. You can actually choose video or photos, but you can't do it at the same time. So you can do first video or first photo and then come back to video. But we are now hit with error 400. Redirect your URI mismatch. Now this is because this service is available. It actually started December 2019 for people in the US, and then it was extended to the UK, Germany, Canada, and some other countries. So if you see this, that means you are not in the right IP address. But we can solve that with just a simple free VPN. We're going to use Thunder VPN. It's free. You can go check them out. They are good, and I'm not affiliated to them, but I use it. So from there, you can actually select, let's just select US, and let's use it to run this connection to avoid that error 400 URI mismatch. So once you connected, as you can see, I'm connected to the US. Now, these are a very thing you need to do. You need to go back to the Facebook app information and clear the cache, and also for stop the app. Now this makes it important so that if there are residues of the previous IP address or other things that you connected to, it's just going to clear it, so we don't have much problem while we are doing this again. And again, we go back to the settings, we go back to scroll down to your Facebook information, and then we select the transfer photos and video. We've actually done this before now. So now, because we've cleared the cache, Facebook will actually ask you to put in your password. So from there, you choose destination. We only have Google Photos as the only destination. So you choose that, and then you can actually do photos or videos, but you can't do it at the same time. So you do one after the other. So now we've now used a different IP address. Now we now have connection to Google Photos. So as you can see, you can choose the Google account you want, assuming you have more than one, and then allow it. So now there's a problem that's happened here that I also want to emphasize. If you click allow and do not see the confirm transfer, then that means that it didn't just go right. So mind you, the transfer won't start. You have to see the option to click on confirm. So what you're going to do is that we're going to do it again. We're going to go back and repeat the same step from transfer your photos. We're going to select destination again, Google Photos. We're going to go back, choose the Google account that we want to use for this, and we're going to click allow. So once you do that, now you now see the option to confirm transfer. So this is very, very, very important. So once you see this option, then you are almost done. In fact, you are done. So as you click it, it's there. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, because we have a lot of videos on Facebook and stuff like that, and come hang out with us on Facebook. You can actually stop the transfer if you want. It's still pending. Now it is in progress. As you can see, Google is giving me a lot that Facebook is accessing my account and all that. So if you go now to your Google Photos and turn on sync, because I did turn off sync before. If you turn on sync right now, as you can see right now, this is a very old picture of Kaká, the football player from Brazil. I put on Facebook years ago. So he's going to now start doing it with copy of mobile upload, copy of a timeline, even the Instagram photos, the one you share between Instagram and Facebook. Is going to copy it. It's going to show you the pictures you have on Facebook right inside your Google Photos, and it's not even going to take much. It's not going to encroach into your own 15 gig Google photo space. So that's it. Make sure you subscribe. Let me hear from you in the comment section now. See you. Subscribe. I'll see you.